Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, and I'm so happy to show you this latest product. It is a LED light. It is the thinnest LED light ever, the thinnest. How thin is that? It actually fit into one of these envelopes. Yeah, thinnest light ever. Okay, enough of Steve Jobs. Okay, this is called Quack light. Actually, I have seen this last year in photo clinic, which Dan Cheung keep playing with that. It's called the Quack light from Blind Spot Gear. What is Blind Spot Gear? Blind Spot Gear, they are a new company, but they have been successfully launched a few products on Kickstarter. They are the expert on Kickstarter. They have launched the Scorpion light. I don't know if it that pronounced that light. And then there's a towel light that is another LED light, which is quite cool as well. Last time I have shown you the Power Junkie as well. That is seriously cool. And now this is the latest product. Now, actually, from last year in Filmmaker, Dan Cheung already told me that he found this from a Korean company. In fact, Blind Spot Gear worked with this Korean company to bring this to the market. They probably helped the Korean company to market this light to the world because they're so good at photo Kickstarter. I mean, how do you use it? You just plug in any USB power, like a power bank or AC adapter. You can USB hub to connect loads of them, extension cord so you can have a really long wire. Like if you've got a mic on top, you just stick it on top. You can use a rubber band. You can use like Velcro. It's like when you're vlogging or whatever. If you just rather using a variable light or just put up just a really easy light like that, it's really strong. It's a pretty strong light. And obviously you can mount it whatever you want because it's so light. It's just like a piece of feather or something. Now also they have made a dimmer that is a small thing that plug into here, and then you got a dimmer. They even show you that if you got an adapter, you can use it with your phone. You can power this with your phone, it up like that to do vlogging or Instagram. Basically, this light is just that simple. It's the whole thing is flexible, and then the whole thing is just like one piece of a sandwich of I don't know, plastic and then LED inside. Just one single piece, but just with a USB out there. So the whole thing, they claim that the whole thing is waterproof and patent pending. Even these LED lights just flat. It's flatter than my iPhone camera hum. This annoying camera hum. I bought this with me to my trip to London to shoot video with Kai, and I basically just put this in somewhere in my bag, in my camera bag. Now I have this aperture light before. This is small enough. This is quite small as well, and then I have been carrying this with me a lot of time. But I don't use light. I don't usually use LED light. I just use whatever available light. But there was a situation I really need a light, so I always have this with me. But last trip, I replaced this with this because it is so small. I just slip into whatever space I have in my. Actually, it don't take up any space at all because I always have a power bank with me. So from bringing a power bank and an LED light, I can bring this and this. I think they probably call this the Quack light because you can slip into whatever crack you can find. Maybe not on you, but so you may think when you have like this or LED light, yeah, this is really cool as well. This got internal battery. Why do you need something like this? And I think it is just because this is versatile, because you just mount it whatever you want. A lot of them can't be powered by USB when you're using it, but this you can power it from AC adapter and it can continuously go until you unplug it. And also, I always have something about internal battery is that when these lights, when the internal battery die, are you going to send this? Are you going to pay all the shipping and the fee to replace the battery inside? No, you probably just throw this away. It is so wasteful. Internal battery makes sense on phone because you're probably going to replace your phone before the battery die anyway. But these are really convenient, but I always wonder, like Bluetooth headphone or this internal battery die, it become junk. Unfortunately, I have been so busy. I spent like 2 weeks until I finally make this video. The Kickstarter actually ended like 2 days ago. So that's it, Quack Light. This is a pretty cool idea, and I don't think that is a definite better solution. But if you find this suitable for you, check them out on the Kickstarter, something like that. Now they don't pay me to say anything. It's a great idea. So yeah, check it out. By the way, today I'm using a Panasonic S1. So you can see the autofocusing is, well, it's not really difficult situation for autofocus to work, but it kind of works. And I'm shooting HLG. HLG is great because I'm shooting HLG. I'm using the Atomos. It got an HLG display, and then it's a recorder. I definitely will make a video about shooting HLG. It is just great. High dynamic range, just like S-Log. Put in the camera, a computer. Really easy to grade.